Ndongoi ngaliko ya ulei itongoew'e ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic from Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Nimatula Muti Silikali nene kwa kunenga uthei Nthi ya Amerika kwaka Kisese cha kunikila Wa Ebola na kumaiita enenthi ala uwau manthi Amerika va Kenya na mayasekana uwau nutonya kukwata Kenya aingi. Kalonzo na Gachagua manena kika vindani kala matongwesia atongoi angi na enenthi chathini cha kuma wea kanacha kuthukumia wea cha Reverend Dr. Matthews Kalola mayasia kana Michaelia indi Kenya methiwe meyumilite kana me mustalini wambe kukwata mbau Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nthini wa usakwani munene ukite ingi ni mathingilila kana wa Ebola kuitiwa vanthi ya Kenya ni muisyo muno wa uyu notona kunyaika na kumakwata Kenya mwaka mweu ena mauvo.
Ndongoi ithi cia ulei vikete chathini cha gutania kuthi umwe kwa Reverend Dr. Matthews Kalola mwalua kanisani wa AIC Karen kaundini Ilovi niciatula Muti President William Ruto na Silikali yake kwa kunenga Nthi ya Amerika lingilia wa kusovya Kisese cha uiti wa enenthi manthi ya Amerika na ala methiwa na Wa Ebola menthi ya DRC na vala Kisese giki vanimwe kwa kambini ya maofisa maita cia Nthi ya Amerika na kambila ya kaundini ya Laikipia.
What is always permanent is national interest, and America has been acting in their best national interest. So Kenyan best national interest must be well articulated so that we do not have our people coming to grief.
Just the way the Americans have said they do not want Ebola on American soil, Ugandans are saying the same. We, the people of Kenya, are also saying we do not want Ebola in our country.
It cannot be that Kenya, we are so good, we are so magnanimous, that we are willing to take the risk that the United States is not willing to take. I want to say this is wrong.
Ndongoi yani maweta kana Nthi yake na tete na utwika wa kwiana wa kukitana na uwau kethiwa kwa vati nthuku no kunyaika kula kwiene Nthi na vala makule Silikali ambe kuthinikia mathina ala methitwe vo thini wa muvea wa uiti.
Let this thing never even come here. If Uganda have closed their border, as my brother said, how is it that we are allowing again anybody, even with the symptoms, to be allowed to come into Kenya?
If America are not sure they can handle that outbreak, what about Kenya, where we are unable to handle malaria? Hata hapa Kenyatta National Hospital gloves hakuna, hata GV inakosekana, hata chakula ya wagonjwa hakuna. Sasa Ebola mtawezana naye?
Ndongoi thini cia thingilila kana ni kutongwesia enenthi kuleana na itambia ya Silikali kwitikilya Nthi ya Amerika kwaka Kisese cha uiti wa Ebola va Nthi ya Kenya maiweta kana wasia wa enenthi ni wailite kwithukiwa kindu kila Silikali ya President William Ruto thithite itekwiwa.
Eugene Wamalwa have asked us to hold a meeting in Nyanyuki to give them opportunity for public participation so that they can express themselves, so that the American government can know what the people of Laikipia feel. Because any decision that can affect people's lives, our constitution provides there must be public participation.
Nilivotia vilingi wa movoni tawa mwaka mweu.